Hi, my name is Peta Adams. I'm an accredited practicing dietitian and I completed my Bachelor of Health Science Nutrition Dietetics degree at Charles Sturt University in Wagga. I started my career in Wagga, luckily enough to be offered a private practice position pretty much as soon as I walked out of my degree. So I started Ingrained Nutrition in 2009 and it continues to run successfully now, not just myself consulting in it, but with another dietitian, soon to be more than one. And that business is pretty much where I built my skill set. So from aged care consulting to menu reviews to prisons to one-on-one individual client consulting, as well as corporate service delivery, I did it all within that private practice business. During that time, I jumped on every single opportunity that was thrown at me. So I worked in nutrigenomics. I also worked for government organisations and travelled maximum 3 hours to a clinic and back to see outlying communities and provide that chronic disease management. I also began to specialise in my said areas. So during that time, I became an SOS trained practitioner to provide paediatric advice to fussy eaters and complex feeding issues with children. I also am an ASAK certified food allergy and intolerance dietitian, and I also have a graduate certificate in paediatric nutrition and dietetics. At the end of 2015, I moved here to the Sunshine Coast, picked up everything, moved my life, didn't know what I was going to do with my business, but decided that I would continue to run it. And flew back every 3 weeks and worked solidly in it for a full week until I had my child at the end of 2016. She is now nearly 3, and during that time I still worked for Fuel Your Life at the beginning of its career, and then I continued to work for Sunshine Coast Dietetics. So in terms of dietitian life, for me, it's become a place that is a space to be able to give back to dietitians and community and try and provide the support that I didn't have during my time when I was working in private practice and working majority of my career alone. I love it. I still love being a dietitian, and I love the opportunity that I've been given to be able to give back to you and make a difference to the health of Australia. So if you ever need any advice, support, clinical perspective, or just an ear to listen to you, then that's what I'm here for. And both Tyson and I are in a really great space to be able to give back to you right now.